Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in true Shanelle fashion, I forgot to do an intro for this video, but if you want to see how I go from this to this without using any foundation, then please keep watching. Oh, and subscribe. Okay, thanks. Love ya. Bye.
Okay, so when I'm doing my no foundation routine, I don't primer anything, so I just use the NYX Professional Bear With Me spray to really get in there and like hydrate my face. And then we're gonna go in with some sunscreen because obviously summer, sunscreen, you just need them. You need sunscreen all the time, but I'm just gonna spritz my face, really prep our skin for some makeup. And then I'm gonna take the Sunbum Face 50 sunscreen and just kind of use this as my primer. I did already do my skincare and everything this morning, which I have sunscreen in my moisturizer that I use, but you always want to go in with more, especially if you know you're gonna be out in the sun. And then this is a step that you can skip if you have really nice skin. Obviously I do not. I have breakouts everywhere. Most of the time I will let those like shine through if I don't really have anywhere to like be or anything. Like if I'm just going to the lake or, you know, just being outside, going on a walk, whatever. If I just want makeup on, I will skip this step, but I'm actually filming again after this, so I just want to use some extra coverage. So I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Mega Last Incognito Concealer. This is in the shade Medium Golden, and it just is full coverage to hide my blemishes, just to give me, you know, some extra confidence and really hide all these up. Again, this is a step you don't have to do if you are blessed with beautiful skin, or if you don't mind having all your spots shine through. That's totally fine. Like I said, I don't always do this, but today I am. Like these spots up here, I don't really care. I just don't like it all on my chin. And then I'm just gonna take a sponge and blend it out, but just kind of go over everything to where it kind of, you know, a little blended, but not totally blended away. See, that kind of just evened out my face and just kind of really hid and covered up those dark spots, pimples, the redness. So I really love that. And then today I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Medium Beige. This one is just the one that matches my skin the best. And I just go in and kind of like do my concealer routine. I have started just putting concealer here and here on the days where I am wearing foundation, but on days where I'm not, I do like to bring it all the way down like my old routine, just to give some more coverage. And then I take the beauty sponge and blend all that out. On days where I'm like not needing much coverage, I do like to use the Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer. I love this stuff, but today I just want that extra coverage, and this one is a little lighter for me, so it like gives me that brightening effect. But I feel like this concealer just matches my face pretty well, like the best concealer that I have, which is totally on accident. I don't like to get concealers that match me. I like to get them lighter, but didn't mean to get this, but I actually am thankful I did. And then this is another step you can skip if you just don't want to use it or don't have it. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Makeup Stick. I'm gonna use it to cream contour. This I just feel like helps cover up a little more of that unwanted breakouts or anything, and just really goes in and like sculpts my face out, which I like. I don't always do this. Usually I'll just skip this step and just use like regular bronzer, but today I really wanted to use it again and just blend it out. Okay. I have to tie my hair up. It's driving me insane. So that's pretty cute. Next I'm gonna do a little cream blush. This is the e.l.f. Putty Blush in the shade Caribbean. I love this to really just add some natural color back to my cheeks. It literally just looks like my skin is just blushing. I just dab it a little, and then I'll dab it on my hand just to make sure that I don't go in too crazy, because it is pretty pigmented. Build it up on my hand and then go in. It just gives like a little bit of color back, and we'll blend that out even more. Then I take the bottom of this and just kind of like press it all into the skin, blend it out a little bit. See, I feel like it literally just feels like my natural like blushiness is shining through. And next, you can totally skip this step again. I feel like I'm saying that so much, but all these steps are optional. I personally hate eye creases. Do you see that? I hate it. So I like to go in and set my eyelids, and this is the only time you'll catch me not setting my whole entire face, but I just really want to keep this like natural and glowy. So I just like to go in and make those creases go away and then go in with a sponge and set. And I'm using the Ciate London Everyday Setting Powder. And then just because I am filming after this, whatever is left on the sponge, I'm just gonna go in and do under my eyes to prevent any creases down there. But these creases don't drive me as crazy as creases on my eye. I cannot stand eye creases, like I just can't. I don't like it. Next for bronzer, I'm gonna be using the Physicians Formula All-Star palette. I'm gonna be going in with this one right here. I love this. It's so freaking buttery and smooth. And just dab it on. This isn't a crazy pigmented bronzer on me. It's just very like natural, I feel like. It's pretty similar to my skin type, but it's just a little deeper, that it does give me a little definition and some contour. So that's why I like it for like these natural everyday makeup days. And then I do still like to blend some down my neck just to give that jawline a little bit of a definition. She needs some help. And then I do like to take a smaller angled brush and contour my nose just a little bit. Again, and then take the sponge and dab all over it to press it all in and to kind of dull it down a little bit. I don't like my nose contour to be too like pigmented. For blush, I'm gonna use the BH Cosmetics Vanilla Cream Truffle palette. I think I'm gonna mix these two shades right here. Oh yeah, that's pretty. That's cute. Very summer appropriate. And then for highlighter, I just feel like liquid highlighter is so freaking pretty in the summer. I'm gonna use the iconic London Illuminator. I just feel like it's the most natural looking if you apply it right. I used to like take it straight from the bottle and go on my face, and that is way too pigmented. So now I like to like put some on my hand and then blur it all out on my hand to get it like really dulled down, and then we'll go in and just naturally place it on our cheeks. That's so pretty. It just looks so natural to me anyway. It doesn't look like I have any like line there. It looks like it's literally just my skin glowing through. And you know the drill on the Cupid's bow, always a little bit on the chin and above the brow. I just feel like that looks so natural and just very glowy for the summertime. What summertime is all about, that glow. Next, I'm gonna do my brows. And I'm gonna try and keep them as natural as I possibly can, but I just get so carried away with this. It is the NYX Lift and Snatch brow pen. I've been using it for months now. I can't stop. Okay, we are back, and I feel like it didn't get too overboard. I probably went a little bit overboard for a natural brow, but they're still really natural for me, and I like them a lot better. Next, we're going to go in with some mascara, and I'm just using the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. I've been really enjoying this lately, and I feel like I don't have to wear false lashes when I wear this. Next, while my first layer of mascara dries, I'm gonna go in and line my lips, and I'm just gonna use the Essence Stay 8-Hour Lip Liner in this shade Because Duh. This I feel like is very natural. It just gives a pink kind of tone to my lips. It's very smooth and creamy. It doesn't add a lot of color, it just kind of like adds a like softer kind of pink tone to my lips. And I kind of fill it in with this too. Because it's summer, I'm gonna be outside at the lake or whatever. I don't want to be wearing lipstick or anything. And honestly, most of the time I just use chapstick, which I like really well, or I'll just go in with like just a lip gloss. But I just wanted to add that because I've really been enjoying that lately. And then I'm gonna top it with e.l.f. Retro Paradise lip gloss. This is just very lightweight, and it's not gonna be like too glossy or anything. It's just gonna give you the look of glossiness. Now I'm gonna go back and finish my lashes, put one more layer on and put the bottom layer on. And then this step again is totally optional, but I just really like to have like, look at my hand, it's so crazy. I just like to glow. So I'm gonna take the BH Cosmetics Belgian Waffle palette, and I'm gonna use powdered sugar, and I'm gonna take that and put that in the inner corner of my eye just to really make that pop right there. Add some glow because it's summer, we want to glow. Honestly, I can't believe it's already summer. That's crazy. I mean, it's not, but it's about to be. Just look at the difference that made. I feel like that makes such a difference. And then I also like to take that and place it under my brow bone to add shine there. And then to set my face, I'm gonna use the Cocoa Gold Mist Hydrating Setting Spray because this has like gold shimmer in it, and why not add shimmer, you know, to your face for this glowy summer look. Just a little bit of this goes a long way, so just do like 3 squirts. And then I'm also gonna add some of this Color Pop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Setting Mist just to really lock everything in. She glowing. So yeah, there is my no foundation, everyday glowy summer makeup routine. I've been loving doing this lately. It's honestly faster and it feels just so much more light on my face. I don't feel like I've caked on makeup. But yeah, leave a comment down below. Tell me what you guys think of it. Do you guys like it? Are you gonna try it? What are your thoughts? If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below what you want to see next, or just to show some love. I really appreciate it, and I love you guys so much. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a future upload from me. And I guess until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys! Thanks for watching. Go out and make the world smile. Shaw, 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 shaw. Next I'm gonna do a little cream. Seriously though, look at this. This is crazy. Why is my hair so freaking crazy? Why? Which I really like. Get some hydration. Kind of tastes weird.